U.S. EV chargers will outnumber gas stations soon. This refers to the number of charging stalls compared to individual fuel pumps, and they are already very close. I like the look of that Electrify America.
How come you never get to see these charging stations?
Well,
they look so futuristic.
No, they're building them. It's just taking time, man. Takes time to replace all those gas stations. But I like the green glow is kind of cool. And I see Ford Lightning in the back there on that far stall. Yeah, especially once this stuff speeds up and you're hanging out. The one thing that's missing, though, is the convenience store.
Yes.
What happens to that?
Well, it would be like the Japanese convenience, the vending machines.
Vending machine.
Where they put out hot food.
Okay, that's fine. Actually, I see a roof right here in the background, so I think you could. And they also tend to put them near malls and shopping centers, so you're close enough anyway. But there is something about the appeal of the current gas station setup. It's all right there. I mean, often here, there's a whole coffee shop in there.
You get the Tims.
Yeah, you're all completely set up. According to a report from the U.S. Department of Energy, the ideal ratio of EVs to charging stations is 40 level 2 charging ports and 3.4 DC fast chargers per 1,000 EVs. Currently, there's 41 level 2 ports. I mean, that's not a lot. Oh, 41 per 1,000. Never mind. That's not bad. Respectively, or 21 EVs for every charge port. Here's the other thing to remember. Unlike gasoline, unlike the gas station, you fill up at home.
Right.
So you don't...
You're not relying on these stations.
Not exclusively. No. This is if you're on a road trip or you need a little pickup, a little boost, you have the option. That's cool.